Tired of spending hours cleaning? Check out our latest video where we showcase 15 must-have Amazon cleaning gadgets that will do the hard work for you. From robotic vacuums to innovative mops, these tools will make your cleaning routine a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to a sparkling clean home. Number 1. Cleefy Small Tabletop Ironing Board. Ironing can be a real hassle, especially with bulky boards that take up too much space. But the Cleefy Small Tabletop Ironing Board is a total game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable, making it perfect for small apartments, dorms, or even travel. Plus, it has a built-in hook for easy storage. Just hang it up when you're done. Built with a sturdy plastic base, alloy steel legs, and a premium cotton cover, this board is designed for durability and stability. It even comes with an attached iron rest with a sliding lock, so your iron stays secure while you work. The adjustable non-slip legs keep everything steady, giving you a smooth and hassle-free ironing experience. And here's a bonus. Cleefy includes a premium ironing cloth for an even better wrinkle-free finish. Whether it's shirts, pants, or skirts, this board makes ironing quick and easy. If you're looking for a portable, space-saving, and high-quality ironing solution, this is it. Click the link in the description and grab yours today. Number 2. Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Tired of messy floors and struggling with traditional mopping? The Joymoop Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is here to save the day. With its 2-tank system, you can keep dirty and clean water separate, so you're always mopping with fresh water. Just dip to wash, lift to dry, and let the bucket do the work. Hands-free. The 360-degree rotating mop head reaches every corner and tricky spot under furniture, and the adjustable stainless steel handle extends up to 60 inches, making it perfect for floors, walls, and ceilings. Storage is easy with this compact and space-saving set, and the 6.5-liter wash chamber means fewer refills. Plus, with 4 reusable microfiber pads included, it's great for both wet and dry cleaning. If you want an easy, efficient, and hygienic cleaning solution, check out the Joymoop Mop and Bucket set today. Number 3. eLife V9 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Tired of spending hours cleaning? The eLife V9 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is here to make your life easier. This smart device combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in one powerful machine, cutting your cleaning time in half. With its self-emptying station and 5 dust bags, it offers up to 6 weeks of hands-free cleaning. No need to empty it daily. The 20,000 PA suction power effortlessly clears dirt, and the gyroscope navigation ensures it covers every corner of your home. Its 200-milliliter dustbin and 200-milliliter water tank let you clean and mop simultaneously, while the 3,000 PA suction tackles debris, dust, and tough spots. You can control it with the eLife Home app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Home, or the included remote. If you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to clean, the eLife V9 Pro is your answer. Grab yours today. Check the link in the description. Number 4. KSSVZ 3-pack automatic trash can. Tired of dealing with the mess and odors from your traditional trash cans? The KSVZZ 3-pack automatic trash can is here to change the way you dispose of waste. Featuring cutting-edge motion sensor technology, the lid opens in just 0.1 seconds as soon as it detects your presence, and it automatically closes within 5 seconds when no movement is detected. No touching required. Perfect for maintaining a clean, hygienic environment in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. These compact bins fit seamlessly into tight spaces. Number 5. Cordless 5-in-1 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Are you tired of sleeping on a mattress filled with dust and allergens? The iWiofine cordless 5-in-1 mattress vacuum cleaner is here to change that. With powerful 16 kPa suction and 200 watts of stable performance, it quickly picks up fine dust, pet dander, and other allergens deep within your mattress. What makes this vacuum cleaner stand out is its 5-in-1 cleaning capabilities. It combines UVC light, ultrasound technology, high-frequency tapping, and powerful suction for a deep, thorough clean. This efficient process not only eliminates dust, but also sanitizes your mattress, leaving it fresh and allergen-free. Number 6, Agorvio Window Cleaning Robot. Let's be honest, cleaning windows is a chore nobody enjoys. But the Agorvio window cleaning robot takes all the hassle away. I've been using this gadget for a while now, and I have to say it's seriously impressive. It uses AI technology to map out and clean windows automatically. No streaks, no missed spots. The brushless DC motor is a game changer, running smoother, lasting longer, and making less noise than older models. One of my favorite features? The automatic water spray. It mists just the right amount to break down dirt and grime, ensuring a spotless finish. If you have a tougher spot, no worries. Just grab the remote control and you can guide it right to where you need it. Now, safety is always a concern when dealing with electronics near windows, but Agorvio has thought of everything. Strong vacuum suction keeps it firmly in place, a UPS backup battery ensures it keeps running, and there's even a safety rope as a precaution, so you don't have to worry about any accidents. And here's the best part. It's not just for windows. You can also use it on mirrors, tiles, and other smooth surfaces. Its versatility is really what makes it stand out. So if you're tired of spending hours cleaning your windows, this little robot might be exactly what you need. It's efficient, effective, and totally worth checking out. Number 7, BeamNova Handheld Steam Cleaner. I've been using the BeamNova Handheld Steam Cleaner for a while now, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed. It heats up in just 15 seconds and reaches 221 degrees Celsius, which means it easily cuts through grease, grime, and stubborn stains. And the best part? No chemicals, no harsh fumes, just pure steam doing all the work. Using it is super simple. Just fill up the 1-liter water tank, turn it on, and adjust the steam output with the knob. I love that it comes with an extension tube, so reaching tight corners or awkward spots is no problem at all. Another thing I really like is how lightweight and portable it is. The long steam hose and multiple brush attachments make it so versatile. You can clean kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, carpets, and even car interiors without breaking a sweat. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use steam cleaner, this one is definitely worth checking out. Number 8, AleTop Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. I recently tried the AleTop Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, and it's seriously impressive. With its 500-watt motor and 15 kPa suction power, this compact cleaner easily tackles tough stains like pet messes, wine spills, and dirt. Plus, it ensures your carpets dry quickly and stay fresh. The dual tank system is a great feature. It has a 0.8-liter sewage tank and a 1.5-liter clean water tank, letting you clean longer without refills. You can also add a cleaning solution to the clean water tank for even better results. The 4.26-foot hose and 9.84 feet power cord give you plenty of reach, and it's super lightweight and easy to store. Whether it's your upholstery, mattresses, or car seats, this cleaner handles all the tough spots with ease. For an easy, effective way to keep your home looking fresh, the AleTop Spot Cleaner is definitely worth it. Number 9, Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. If you're tired of using harsh chemicals or scrubbing away at your jewelry to get it clean, the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a real game changer. It uses powerful ultrasonic technology, generating 42,000 hertz of sound waves to create millions of tiny bubbles that gently lift dirt and grime from even the toughest spots without damaging your precious items. What's great about it is that it only requires tap water, so you don't have to worry about using any harmful chemicals that could damage your jewelry or the environment. Whether it's your engagement rings, watches, eyeglasses, or even coins, this cleaner works wonders to restore their shine in just minutes. The Magnasonic cleaner comes with a digital display that makes it super easy to use. You can choose from 5 preset cleaning cycles, ranging from 90 to 480 seconds, depending on the item. Number 10, Bissell Turbo Upright Vacuum. If you're looking for a way to bring the shine back to your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, or even dentures, the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a game changer. This professional strength cleaner uses ultrasonic technology to generate 42,000 hertz sound waves, creating microscopic bubbles that gently lift away dirt and grime from even the smallest crevices, leaving your items sparkling clean. What I love about this cleaner is that it's completely environmentally friendly. You only need tap water, no harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. So your valuables stay safe, and you're helping the planet too. The digital display is super user-friendly, letting you choose from 5 preset times ranging from 90 to 480 seconds. Plus, the auto shutoff makes it even more convenient. The 600-milliliter stainless steel tank fits multiple pieces at once, and the included basket keeps your items securely in place. Number 11. Simply Magic Spin Mop. If you're tired of struggling with heavy mops and messy spills, the Simply Magic Spin Mop is a total game changer. It has a 360-degree rotating head that makes cleaning around furniture and tight corners a breeze. No more awkward twisting or bending. What I love most is how lightweight it is, yet still super effective. The microfiber mop head picks up dirt, dust, and moisture, leaving your floors with a perfect streak-free shine, whether it's hardwood, tile, or laminate. The built-in wringer is another great feature. It lets you easily control the water level, so you never end up with soggy floors. Plus, the adjustable handle makes it perfect for cleaning high spots or hard-to-reach areas without straining your back. Number 12. Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. Are you tired of climbing ladders just to clean your gutters? I used to dread it, but then I found the Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand, and it's honestly been a game changer. This wand features an extendable pole that reaches up to 11 feet, so no more risky ladder climbs. It's incredibly lightweight, which makes it easy to maneuver, and it's built to last. No flimsy materials here. What I love most is how efficient it is at cleaning. Number 13. LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. If you're looking for a powerful yet efficient way to clean your home, the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer is a game changer. With a powerful 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM flow rate, it easily handles tough tasks like cleaning driveways, patio furniture, and even your car. What's great is that it saves water and energy without compromising cleaning power. The washer comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, each offering different pressure levels for various jobs, from a heavy-duty blast to a gentle spray. Plus, the foam cannon makes cleaning even more effective, especially on those stubborn areas. One of the best features is its ease of use. With a 23-foot hose and a 36-foot power cord, you have plenty of reach. The built-in rollers make it easy to move around, and it stays stable when not in use. Number 14. Mabogue Electric Spin Scrubber. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional cleaning, the Mogu Electric Spin Scrubber will change the way you clean. It offers 2 adjustable speeds, up to 420 RPM, which makes cleaning tough stains on your shower, bathtub, and tile floors a breeze, cutting your cleaning time in half. The scrubber also has adjustable angles, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees, to easily reach spots like faucet gaps and corners. Plus, the extendable handle reaches up to 50 inches, saving your back and knees. With 8 replaceable brush heads and a cordless rechargeable design, you'll get up to 150 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. It's waterproof, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to make cleaning easier. Number 15. Murtersiga Toilet Plunger. The Murtersiga Toilet Plunger is the perfect 2-in-1 solution for your bathroom. It includes a powerful plunger with a commercial-grade rubber suction cup and an efficient toilet brush with durable bristles for hard-to-reach areas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next video.